Hi everyone and welcome to our friendly world. My name is Kennedy and in this video I'll be showing you how to crochet the slip stitch. The slip stitch is very simple and it can be used on its own to either finish up a project or add a nice little tight row that isn't very tall, or the slip stitch can be combined with other stitches to make various textures in your crochet patterns. Here I'm just working my slip stitch along the edge of a project that I've already finished using the single crochet stitch, and I'll just show you really quick here how to do it now. You just insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you pull that loop through the loop that's on your hook. So I'll show you that again. I yarned over and pulled up a loop and then pulled that directly through the loop on my hook. And you'll just continue this for as many slip stitches as you need. It's that easy. There is another great technique called the surface slip stitch. You can check out the video on my channel for how to add slip stitches throughout the surface of your project to add some various decorations. If you'd like to learn how to crochet or you need to brush up on the basics, make sure you check out the link below the video to access your free Learn to Crochet video guide, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for a new crochet tip every week. Thanks for watching!